Hey, welcome back. Can't stay away from here. Tell you. I know. Anyway, so let me ask you this question. Still stuck under a lockdown, huh? It's driving you crazy. Feel like banging your head on the door. Don't worry, I got you. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you one way wherein you can use this method to boost your creativity and pass your time. I guess that's what you want. Also, I have an announcement about a freebie listing, so stay tuned to the end of the video to know more about the freebie. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I wanted to thank you all for sticking with my channel. This means a lot to me. Every like, every subscriber means a lot because that way I get motivated to make more content. So please stay connected with this small family of Trippy Bliss. Those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Morvika. I'm a visual artist. I create videos regarding my art. In this channel, I'm gonna be sharing more tips and tricks on how you can create using different mediums, using different techniques. So far, I've used acrylic and watercolor, but in this video, I'll be talking about collage art, which you can make using just your phone. Now, you'll be wondering what is a collage and what is the difference between a collage art and a collage. Collage is basically putting all your favorite photos together in a particular layout. The difference between a collage and a collage art is basically an abstract version of collage, taking together different sort of materials, stickers, etc. into a canvas. That is what collage art is. Collage is a technique which is used in visual arts. You must be wondering, why am I supposed to do that? Or what is the benefit of it? Or what am I gonna get out of it? That is the main question. Scientifically speaking, collage helps you to build your reasoning skills and creative imagination. Also helps you to build your hand-eye coordination. Speaking otherwise, it will help you relax, boost your creativity, and help you calm yourself. That's what you need in this period. Now we will be using Picsart for this project, so make sure you download Picsart if you don't have it yet. So let's get into the video. So for this project, I'll be using the free version of Picsart. Why Picsart? Because Picsart is an easy to use. It's a blessing because the availability of features on Picsart in the free version is amazing. Now we will continue to edit for the Picsart editor. Herein, the Picsart has introduced this replay thing, which gives you a perfect template to edit your photos just like these. All you need to do is match your photo, and we'll choose a background. For this project, I'll be going with the white one. This is 1:1 ratio or 1:1 ratio, which is basically your Instagram photo template. I'm gonna crop it for 3:4 or 3:4 ratio. Why? Because all my art prints are in this ratio, 3:4. I'll be using the brush tool to create or to draw anything. Now this process is basically a self-explanatory thing, so you can just enjoy the process. Once you are satisfied with your design, you can click the mark button and that will save your design. Now probably you know this process of how to edit your photos on Picsart. Now I will be using the shape mask. Why am I using shape mask instead of the crop one? Basically it masks your crop and lets everything else according to your background color. This process is basically all up to you, whatever you feel like. I'm just giving you the basics of it. Now this is the sticker tool wherein you can discover or search a number of stickers. That is the best part because you can play around with the stickers, and the availability of this sticker thing is amazing on the free version. Now once this is complete, I will add a photo to my collage. So there is a photo button here, add photo. I've already downloaded the photo from Pinterest. If you want to download any of your photos, you can go over Pinterest or any free images website, you'll get it from there. If you want any rest of the part of the photos, you can use this cutout tool to make it into a sticker. Once you have your sticker, you can then go in with the restore and eraser tool to erase or restore any part of the sticker. There you go, you have your own sticker ready. I'm going in with the brush tool to create more texture to the collage. I like to draw just because it's all up to you, man, whatever you want to do it. So this is the fun part of making a collage, is that you don't have to follow certain kind of rule. That allows you to have your own creative vision and do the things according to how you would want your work to look like. I'm going with vintage sort of a theme which is mixed with floral design or floral pattern. Even if you are not looking for any particular theme, or if you are looking for and it doesn't turn out to be how you want it, you can use filter tool to create or to give it a nice finished look. From here, just playing around with the stickers according to the theme. It all depends on you, however you want to use your stickers. It depends completely on the design and the theme you're going for. These are all freely available design. You can add and modify it to make it your own. I'm just giving it a base filter to match everything according to the theme. And that's it. That's the layout, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out to learn something new. Talking about freebie, that's what you're more interested in, huh? I have listed down in a PDF form the collage that I made in this video, so you can just click and download it, use it as your phone wallpaper, or you can also print it if the print shops are open. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. So I have all the social media links down below in the description box. I stay more active on Facebook, Instagram. I have listed my Pinterest board in the description. You can take inspiration from there. If not, you can use Google to find more free images, and you can download it, then you can make your collage. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay trippy, enjoy the bliss. Bye.